the digital resources are not only meant for only the library resources, even there are a number of open education resources and a lot of good e-resources are available. So those really, in case if the library is not able to provide, the students, particularly the users and the young minds, can contact the librarian to get about the particular insights on their relevant subjects in their disciplines. And normally the students always look for the ranking of the institutions, and based on that they are what kind of the resources they are having, what kind of the facilities they are having. So they focus and they will select by way of getting the infrastructure which they are providing, and the resources which they are providing, and the faculty strength which they are having, and how many faculties they are having, the PhDs and the research activity. So all of them will be is an important point where the students who are going to join for the higher studies. So, and also the management education, a lot of good number of management the resources are available, and in case any one of the management the student can take up a particular area or the discipline to compile on their own. Maybe they may come across with various resources which probably others may not understand. So they can interact with the librarian and bring to the notice of the librarian, and you can have your own groups in a social media. You can share among yourself, bring you connect other management graduates, other management people, and that will definitely helpful. And the resources definitely will be used, assessed by our own interest, and the students will make use of that resources, and their outcome will be definitely it's going to be much knowledge based than anything else. The management graduates make use of effectively the resources, can definitely they will get a good the academic outcome as well as the good packages in their jobs. So normally the interest has to grow. The students should take a lead, or management graduates, they have to take a lead in leading and suggesting a good resources to the librarian, and definitely that will be useful for the individual as well as the future professionals.